And here is a dryer, and it looks pretty big too. Here is how you operate the Samsung dryer. You just power it on, then you change the settings by turning this knob to different load types. Then you press and hold the start button. That's how you start the dryer. And if you want, you can change all these settings here. It shows the different settings as you keep turning the knob to different types here. You can see the dryness, temperature, and the time, and the wrinkle prevent on and off going on. You can increase or decrease the dryness here. You can turn on and turn off wrinkle prevent here. When you are in time dry setting, you can increase and decrease the temperature here. Once you are all set with these settings, you press and hold for the dryer to start. Then you can press and hold these two buttons for child lock to be on. 3 seconds. So to remove the child lock, press and hold these two buttons for the child lock to go away. Controls are very easy and simple and straightforward, and you can easily see all the settings here. So I like this dryer so far, it's working great. Check out my other video for Samsung washer settings. And let's test it out and see how it goes.